Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree from With Live Bree, and I have a super exciting haul today because I did not think I was going to be able to get this collection just because they kept selling out everywhere. But Frank Garcia has his new 31 collection for Halloween, and y'all, I saw my girl Devi haul this and I was so jealous. I was like, oh my god, I can't believe I missed the drop. Usually I am pretty good about you know, like seeing everything, but of course the one time I don't check his website is when he like loads up all of his new all the new collections. So luckily I was able to grab paper from his online store, and that's Frank Garcia Studio, so I'll link it down below. And on Etsy I found a seller who was selling stuff from his collection for like $1 something less than what was being sold because she was having a sale on new items. So I got really lucky on that. So let me show you guys what I picked up. Like usual, I'm going to start with the papers. So I am going to go ahead and just open this. But yeah, you guys, so I love Past-Halloween. I know I've been picking up a lot of the Halloween Market collection, but I did not know he was coming out with something like this. So now I have a couple collections to work with. Even if I choose to save one collection for next year or whatever, you know, at least I love them both. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm so excited. I really have no idea what to expect from this, so I'm pretty stoked. Sorry for all the rustling. I'll try to like get rid of that, because I know some of you guys don't like that noise. Okay, so let me go through the dies real quick. So these are the Aloha Mintopia dies, and these are the brand new ones. I didn't get all of them. I did regret not getting one of them, but it's all good. So I picked up this really cute like little floral one. And then I got this beach house. And this is how that one looks. Flowers, which they're super tiny. I got the little banners. This one was $10.99. This one says Aloha, and you can have the backing, like the shadow layer. And I just thought this one would be really cute. You can even use this on like non-summer theme and like non-like tropical theme. You can always just use the Aloha on a lot of other things. So I picked that up, and then I love this one, which is the little bag. I think that's like a baggage tag. I think little key tags. I don't know. I have one that's Friends themed, the little purple one. But anyway, yeah. So that, and these don't cut out; they just emboss. So you just put the little embossing piece in the middle of this, and it embosses whatever you want into the die cut. So yeah, those are the dies that I picked up from that collection. And then I did grab a couple things from the Christmas Sparkle collection. I have not used this, the sugar cookie collection from last year, which I have hauled. So I only picked up a couple things just because I still love that collection from last year. I just wanted to grab a couple things that I could use with it. So I did grab a couple of these beaded berries. And Prima is like my all-time fave for flowers and berries, so I went ahead and I grabbed a couple of these because these are just so pretty. And these are $3.99, which is really not that bad. So I picked up a couple of those. And then I did pick up these rice paper things. I know what rice paper is because I have some, but I did not, I had no idea like what it looks like with the prints, like little printouts on it. So it looks like you could use this, or they use it for like collaging or like decoupaging, which I used to do, which I don't really do anymore, but I don't know. I was thinking I could find other ways to use this. So I picked up a couple of sheets of these. These were $2.99. And I can, let me see if I could open it. Oh gosh, I don't want to rip it. But yeah, it's super thin and super fragile, but that's how that looks. Love the colors, they're so cute. I love that he added a little bit of vintage in there, so that's how that looks. Okay, so that's that. And then the papers, I did pick up some papers from the Christmas Sparkle collection, and that's just because I fell in love with a couple of them. So this one here is called Icy Blue Christmas. And this is like the little collage piece. And then the back is this snowflake print, which I got. I thought this was going to be foiled, but it's not, which is why I got it. But it's okay. At least now I have this piece of paper in my stash. I legit thought the whole backing was going to be foiled, but there's really, this one's really cute. I love the little hints of silver on the front, so got that. And then I did pick up this one, which is called Pink Peppermint. And the back has the little nutcrackers and peppermints and has some bells, and I got it for this back piece, which I thought was super cute. So grab that. And then I did also grab from his new autumn collection called Hello Pink Autumn, which is a really beautiful collection, but I just don't have time to do autumn projects like I did last year. So I only grabbed one sheet of the paper, and it's this really pretty rose gold foiled pumpkin paper, and it has like a little wreath. But yeah, I thought this one was super pretty, and I was gonna grab 2 other sheets, but again, I'm not really gonna do much with this collection, so I just picked up this one sheet. And I love the back too. You can definitely use this for Halloween as well. So grab that, and then the rest is gonna be from the 31 collection. I did pick up the 12 by 12 paper pad. I always grab single sheets and the paper pad, but I'm gonna go ahead and flip through the single sheets with you guys just so I could show y'all. Okay, so I thought I picked up I thought I picked up the 8x8 paper pad through his website, but I guess I didn't. I do like to grab the 8x8 and the 12x12 just because of the scale of the pattern. 6x6 is always fun too, but for the price, I think the 8x8 is just a lot more worth the price. But anyway, I guess I didn't. So I did grab the vellum sheet. I just grabbed one of them, but I regret getting just one. It has this, like, I don't know, it's like a rose gold foiling on it, and it's like little jack-o'-lanterns with stars and confetti. So I thought that was super cute. And then here are the papers. So I'll go ahead and go through these with you. What I did was I just took one from my little stack because I did grab multiples of each one. So yeah, this is the cut apart sheet called All the Treats. And this collection has like a, I don't know, it's like an orangey rose gold foiling. Thought it was super cute. And this was my favorite pattern. I love this pink background with the black cobwebs. I said in my last haul video that I love cobwebs during like Halloween time, the pattern. So I went ahead and I did grab a couple of these, but I love this so much. It's super pretty in person. This one's called Wicked Spells, which is the 3x4 cut aparts. I love this broom or like print here. So cute. And then this is the broom pattern. I love it. I love the orange, like his orange that he used in here. He has a couple different oranges that he used, but I love this little peachy orange that he used. Super pretty. Alright, and then this one is the little pumpkin paper, and this one has gold, or the foiling, you guys can see. And it has little jack-o'-lanterns with the witch's hat, like you can't go wrong with that, and a pink pumpkin especially. Yes, please. And then this really cute diagonal stripe, and then it has black splatters on it, which is awesome because splatters are really fun. And I love that the pattern already has it, so it's less messy. And this one is the ghost paper, and it has like these rose gold splatters on there. I don't know if you guys can see it, sorry. But yeah, so that one. And then the back is just this black and orange star print with some white splatters on there. Super cute. This one is called Hocus Pocus, and it has the 4x6 cut aparts, and I love when he uses like photos that he probably took of like just like what am I trying to say, like where he makes like a little layout for a picture, and it's just super cute. Love that. I love the little witch's pot with the non-traditional like pink fog, like smoke. And then I think these little ghosts are pink. I thought they were white, but it's even better that they're pink. I love this pattern. This is another one that I love. So yeah, when I saw this, it was super, super cute. Then this one is called Cute and Scary. It has the little cat on there and cobweb. It says Happy Halloween. And it does have the foiling. You can see. And then the back is just this orange polka dot print with the black splatters. Super cute. And then this one is called Magical Haunt, and these are 3x3 squares, and these are super cute. I loved these. Like, you can easily hand cut these images and just use them as little ephemera pieces. But yeah, I love getting these sheets right here because I love to cut them apart. Super cute. And then the back is this jack-o'-lantern print with some stars and little polka dots in the background, and it's like a cream colored background. And then the last one is my favorite print of all, and it is this one called Magic and Potions. And you guys, it's so much prettier in person. Ugh, I knew I wasn't going to be disappointed. Frank Garcia never disappoints, but yeah, I was super excited when I saw this, and I just love how it looks. I love the foiling and the pink smoke, the potion bottle, and look how cute this is. It's like a black background, and then it has the little pink lollipops, and then the candy corn, instead of it being yellow, it's pink. Super cute. I love it. So yeah, there's that one. And then that was it from Frank Garcia. But for the Etsy haul, so both of these orders came real quick. This one didn't even really tell me that it was shipped. I don't know. Usually it does, or maybe I missed it. But same with this Etsy order. It said that it was supposed to come in like 4 days, and it came today. So I was super excited. Okay. So I just bought multiples of everything. If you guys know me, if you guys have been following me, I always buy multiples of the chipboard, ephemera, whatever. So I did grab, because again, like I said, her prices were way different than what you would find on any website. So I was super excited to see her prices. But I grabbed 3 of the paper flowers because these flowers are everything. It has the cobweb print on there and the... Alright, sorry guys, my camera died. But anyway, like I said, it has the jack-o'-lantern and the cobweb print on there. And then, yeah, it just has solid color flowers. And like I said earlier, I love Prima flowers, so I went ahead and I picked up 3 sets of these because these were like $4 on her website or something, or on her store or her shop. So I was super excited to see these. I love these, so I grabbed 3 packs of those. And then I did also grab the ephemera. So he has 2 sets of ephemera. I went ahead and there was 2 left of each one, so I grabbed them. And these were also like $4. But these are the what come in this one. And then there's this one. super cute. I definitely am going to look at these off camera because I just want to see each one. I just don't like taking them out during like while I'm recording because putting them away can be a pain in the butt if I end up not being able to do it right away. And then the last thing that I picked up were the chipboards. So she had 3 chipboards left, and again, these were really inexpensive. So I went ahead and I grabbed them, and her shop, if you spend $35 or more, you get free shipping. So of course I spent $35. But yeah, so here's the chipboard. Can't go wrong with chipboard. And then here's the back. Look at the little ghost, he's so cute. But yeah, so there's that, and some of them do have the foiling on them. But yeah, so I basically was able to get my hands on the collection. I do have a pre-order from Cherry on Top for this collection as well coming in, so I just need to wait for that. I think they're just waiting for some more things, or for the collection to actually get to them. But I was super excited that I was able to get it now because I was impatient like usual. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the things that I picked up. I know that he has charms, which I might pick up as well, just one of each one because they are kind of pricey. But yeah, after that, that's it for this collection. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I picked up, and I hope you guys have a great day, whatever day it is that y'all are watching this, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!